morning. It's Ryan over here at the Trawf. Got up on a beautiful Saturday morning here and decided to do a little baking for the family. I'm going to be making some chocolate banana muffins. So this is a great way to use up bananas if they start to get a little bit past where they are for you to like eating them. And so this is a way to use those up in a really tasty way. So I'm going to put the recipe down below, and I hope that you'll consider giving us a subscription, of course. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell. I want you to make sure and stay on top of all this new content that we have coming out. And I appreciate your comments. I'll reach out to every one of them personally. So thanks again for those of you who are already subscribers, and welcome to the Trawf if you're new. Alright, so we got our banana muffins done. This thing really looks spectacular, I'm telling you. Very easy, simple to make, and one of the best muffins we have around here. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. Perfect crumb, perfect amount of chocolate in there. The banana flavor comes through because the bananas are ripe. Really awesome. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. More importantly, I hope you'll give it a try. As I said in the beginning, it's a great way to use up those bananas that just seem like they're getting a little too far gone. This is another alternative to people who usually make banana bread. These muffins are a great breakfast or snack anytime. So thanks again, I appreciate it. Remember, if you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. And if you'd be so kind, hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there, tap on that notifications bell. I really want you to stay on top of our new content. And love the engagement. Check out our Instagram page as well, and look forward to sharing another post with you soon. Thanks so much for watching. How's your muffin, Charlie?
Right.
You like it?
The best.